Hi, hello friends, welcome to my channel, your Bankers Mantra. I hope all you are good at preparing for SBIClerk2022, and I am providing my daily to-do list videos for SBIClerk2022, and you can join with me and make your timetable. So if you can start your preparation from today onwards, you will definitely clear your prelims exam. So start your preparation from today onwards, and my daily to-do list videos are very helpful for all our upcoming exams, and you can join with me. And if you have any doubts, you can connect me in my Telegram group, and I will provide that link in description, and join my Telegram group for more daily updates and latest updates. And let's start your preparation from today onwards for SBIClerk 2022. And let's go to our tomorrow's to-do list. As usual, before 9 am, revise all basics of each subject like squares, tables, formulas, and some brief notes of your weak areas. Revise all that once before 9 am. And also attempt English quizzes from Adda 247 website. They provide daily quizzes for all subjects, and you can attempt English quizzes from that website, and those quizzes are very helpful for all our prelims exams. So attempt all those quizzes. After that, give your time for watching editorial video from Adda 247 YouTube channel or from Murthy Sir's YouTube channel, and you can choose either one of those. And from that editorial video, note down all vocabulary words, rules, idioms, and phrasal verbs. Note down all that ones from editorial videos. And after that, on daily basis, attempt a prelims mock test from one of source, either SmartKida or textbook or Oliveboard or any other source. So attempt a prelims mock test on daily basis. After that, give your time for practicing quant and reasoning sections for at least 2 hours. And last week we are all completed data interpretation topic, and now focus on arithmetic questions. So tomorrow for quant section, so watch basic level videos for the topic simple interest from any YouTube channel, and we have many free sources. So watch from basic level for simple interest topic. And for reasoning, last week we are all completed the puzzle series of all types, and from tomorrow onwards watch videos by Ankush Lamba sir of 100 puzzle series, and those videos are very helpful for all our prelims exams of reasoning puzzles of all types. So watch those videos for this week. And in afternoon we planned for mains preparation, and who are beginners, they all revise the morning schedule and practice PDFs for your weak areas, and also attempt quizzes from any website of your weak areas, and also give 1 hour for English section. And who are preparing for mains, and we have many free sources in apps like Adda 247 or SmartKida or Exambi or Guidely or Practice Mark. So you can go through all websites for your mains preparation and practice from those. And in previous days we completed the topics of data sufficiency and data interpretation. So from tomorrow onwards you can choose any topic for your mains preparation and practice PDFs from these websites. And who are beginners, they give 1 hour for English section, and for that watch videos from any YouTube channel for the topic of closed test. And also you can attempt quizzes from SmartKida website for the closed test topic. And in evening, give your time for reading current affairs and read daily current affairs. And also we completed last week February 3rd week current affairs, and from tomorrow read February 4th week current affairs from the sources of Affairs Cloud or Study IQ or Adda 247, and you can choose either one of those. And my suggestion is Affairs Cloud is the best to read current affairs, and that's all for current affairs. And after that, before going to sleep, attempt a second prelims mock test of the day and analyze the 2 marks of your weak areas where you are lacking, and note down your all weak areas and prepare some brief notes for the next day preparation. And that is for tomorrow's to-do list. And be consistent and confident on your preparation, and keep fighting with your preparation. Thanks for being with me. Please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for more daily updates and latest updates.